me watch pa. Ejuma dia afa to no so Nhyiaeso no.
Sure.
It's wet commendable say. Nipa de obi ya de na
she's doing great.
Wa commend no. Na ahye ne nkran. Nti me ka kire ne say yekoso abo ne chidom. Na ejuma dia afa to no so no. Say o de be kwakọ wie pa. Na Mrs. Hannah Sapon iti Dr. Sapon why?
Oh, okay.
Mommy
and pay na me ne benedin honko.
Oh, okay.
We're discussing about Dr. Sapon.
Yeah.
Very one of the best politicians.
Sure. Very gentleman. Also on you bia onye gidigidi.
He's good.
Let's go. Kumkom. Enti chief anope so me ma wa chepa na mama okoje man kokoje ampra the third. That is Chirano Mahini. Nhyiaeso for obi omu tie mi bia mentimi nchia mo baako mesrɛ mo ntimi memoro bia ache kovi enra me wana me follow me menchia my brother lecturer me ni share ache
yes ache
me Jamaican kan bia na me kote say matena medu the petition be Akoma president. Say current OSP no we breach procurement laws be na appointment laws be na why nyoma bi a ensem fa kwamunti no or the petitioner cause president no mo hwe na say si nyini free ho say by nti me te sansem no in fact twetwe masopa because me say matena me do na churo sa nyoma we nyina former special prosecutor President Kufuor nya gidie kese mapa wonimu. In fact power no say wo mra no mede djuma so magana akwaku ba kosa wo Peace FM studios ewo ho na obedi se djumadi no no ankasa umwa ya se da bi ya chekere ne nsa ama djumadi ese odi na Ghana nya ho mfaso no enye sa na eko ma wieye ono ankasa pe description kakraka de ma President Kufuor say President Kufuor ye mother serpent of corruption na office na wa create say ye mfam ko kata hihye no sa office no say office aya create say ye pese ye de ye yodom akwa ye hwehwe ni mu office no no ontimi ntena ho enkoye hwehwe ni mu adwuma nti ye say onigidie wo president mu nti watwe no ho afiri ho na ye de ni nua kuma Kissi Agyebeng bae na Kissi Agyebeng so ye na dwuma na edu baby na Kissi Agyebeng kura beka asese waya akwanoma like opeso chese ase
o de nan kwa ba for
ne breso obeko na akwakwa ese sa office ne de obi obeko ho bia no peso kire se ase ye chekire mo nsa nti se ne Abraham na me do chiro krata now the comma president a onu nigidie wonimu se ontu anamo bi fa the special prosecutor no ho a na me ya hu double standards bi me ya hu nyaatwum kakra na de e ma ne ye me wonwa ne se o chiro krata no de comma president no president a home so kra o hwa ahu hariso na president a forward krata no e de Akoma chief justice so chief justice nhwehwemu so hwehwemu na enkomo na matenamidu e de egu krata so no de aba no se evidence bi wom a kire se ampa special prosecutor no currently de wo honom no wa boom rasha na bibi sa de a then on be set committee na ye hwehwemu na chete ene e ba se be yi na ye yi no o honom na ama me dwene sa adan se mra no na ye de ye dwuma Ghana no ye pikin ye chusu de suiti ye na ye de aya na se ye no overall se oh ampa emra ni nie oba ye be de hu dwuma Kofi encha ye bia somewhere in 2017 between 2017 2018 maami bi ne friend Madam Charlotte say no ye electoral commissioner that time John Mahama ne power no MPP for boni trisu sa say ya power no so mmemme ye NDC agenda lo and behold time I yekoto aba Ghana for kasa ye no maame ne antimi anya wo hwe because Ghana for akasa ema maame na MPP for ne President Kufuor mu ni gidie wo ni mu no obe declare election results e de ma President Kufuor e me swear in as a president omo ba power no omo ankasa well calculated one. Brabia no tree electoral commission car or ha. I mean nimuno. MPP ni mapa. Shenechi mane the petition. Akoma president say, Madam Charlotte say, adi wadi dwuma bi adwuma di no susu se ensem fata. Enti president mu hwe na yenyi ma meni firi ho. What the petition ni call ya sa ho hare ya president ewu. Ntema na president afforded the Akoma chief justice. Say chief justice hwehwem. Chief justice hwehwem mu ye yesi ma meni ye na firi ho. Ye kwaka sa na de ne the petition ni bre president o call in terms a say omo say president dey serve as a conveyor belt. Confusion conveyor belt. Who call airport na wuti kwa. Ya de to so na belt ni dey call. Into onu no president dey o dey bre na ne dey an so be forward Akoma chief justice. See you. Anche. Enna. Electoral commission. Fufra ye pa on your friend Madam Jean Mensa. Enna ye mu bi susu say Madam Jean Mensa so political affiliation towards the MPP. Ye kan ho sem bebre ye pa on. Enna nipa bi awuni mu kan ho wa obra o kan de nyansa abaje de nyansa omu ina kan ho the petition e de koma president say yesusu say Madam Jean Mensa ono so fi bi wo no ho odi dwuma so bi a ensem fata nti president the petition abro ye the petition ni koma president no eno conveyor belt na anya adwuma wan forward an koma chief justice ya bona ebesi sa bre still sa petition nkoye nti kofi me busa question say dey na esi say conveyor belt na ate a Madam Jean Mensa time re dia ya say ya de fofra ba ada na yem forward an no nko na ye ja honom but the former chief justice Madam Sophia Akufu na me na yine kan bi haircut ne kan no na petition picketing
yeah
ewo Ministry of Finance no maame no nipa ku bi sorry say there bi omo so the petition koma president say maame no omo susu say ne dwumadie bi emfa kwa mu president nye den on forward yin koma ebesi ne sa conveyor belt na enkoye eda so gina ho nti Madam Jean Mensa de mienu Madam Sophia de ka ho miensa enkoye but wey there edru matenami de so onu the line o e say wo kwa akoto ticket akwakofo VIP na wo koye na bia nipa 100 na auto 101 na wo ba 101 no ya ji wo sika na ma akotena ba asim na odi onimu da so gina ho e ba ne sa ya hwehwe ni mu e ba ne sa ya nya atwom e ba ne sa rule of law no ye tietia so kofi nti president ahun hare so a waje matenami the petition na forward ama chief justice say chief justice nko ye hwehwem no establish primary facie case bia na ya take committee na hwehwem na che de na sinchen question aye busa ne say me pacho ada na Madam Charlotte say time no de president e conveyor belt e ko Madam special prosecutor we de conveyor belt e ko Madam Jean Mensa de conveyor belt no president onye conveyor belt bi chief justice then onye conveyor belt Ghana for amutie no wonder say nipa na ono afre president Akufo-Addo mother serpent of corruption everybody no and they were two mirika more than the same boat to the court kofi wa kan sem bi wa o kan na mesre we say wo from the reliable sources so me je women me je undi o me je women pa me nim say de wo nya information say president ni abri was a petition we hu to say establish case bia obeyi no special prosecutor we o no ha president oh yes Madam Cecilia Dapasi kabaya okoye no muso ni dua say oyeti like I said ordinary esi aban we hu omo pene yi no lawyer Martin Kpegu is on record have said there have been several times omo catch special prosecutor on resign also on resign ti no to no yum say waya akwa no ma ne bre so obeko enti ya nya kwan bi so ya pede yi na free ho enti Martin bi de ba ya ne de kiki yes ye piki ye ne piki ne etwusu yes said ye dane mra na ebutu no me fi say fata kofi wo ya become wo be ba lawyer enche bia uni mu mra no kan kre are you not worried unya worried my brother Ishak he should be worried my brother Dr. Efriye he should be worried sir any say mra no ye pikin ye chusu dia ye safe in Ghana because mra no ye apply no according to your interest and that is what has been shown here. Nyoma matina me dia raise bia me ni any problem o. Me ni problem. Se CJ no ehwem na omoto nsa frɛ mate se omatwora Akoma Kissi Agyebeng nti obe responde. Or responde na se fi se yampa se we boom raso and all that ni na me ni problem. But me problem kese me won say president apike chusu. Na obi ampe so obeka ho ase. Me na ye busa majority for no. Obi anya ready so obekasa. Nti clearly ebeye den wo awaye wadwen se obeko keta hyehyɛ ne prayer no wo ne epia wo firi abem enu nti na ye wura dom level ye no auditor general ye tata na pia no kosi nkyɛn. But this is a government on no my tea as you say oba be use the ANAS principle they are fighting corruption keta hyehyɛ ne prayer because President Akufo-Addo ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia are gargantuan beneficiaries of corruption because they do mobile power. And now ye can corruption adukro mo ama ye kan from PDS to PPA, from PPA to NYA, from NYA to Boss Catch for Seed, Ghana Export Promotion to Ghana Maritime Bebre. And so say kosi say. So what I say. So and this is what President Akufo-Addo and the MPP government say. Yes, say no, say if you don't belong to omu interest, now some to dia and you will. But say who belong to omu interested there and there are some to a bit my shield. And sa narrative no sa I say me fan say unofficial communication na e ba abonten e ma Ghana fo hu say there be nyoma nko yi no emwa because the rule of law no it must be seen to be fair to all. We shouldn't apply the whip where we think that ye feel say oh I had here be ya be ha me nti kofi mo na makosua amra me pese me bisa say sa petition na akwana president for wede no yetimi trigger na anasa no de wanye ho adwuma na da nche no etwam me pese me hu
okay
because clear cases mienu nti Ghana for mu te very embarrassing very disgraceful ade we president interested wo mu ina ne say omo pese omo yi Kissi Agyebeng ne firi ho no e na omo ye ne clear amana ba betoja but no wonder enche you say from ente hoda and a hwehwima de so ekosoro you say untimi endi umra nkosi eye den one day obekọ
okay
na wokọ a na eche no obi di bidiwa memba me bobna.
Okay, Chairman Afayam Meda was say when offer the Special Prosecutor Act 5956 at 2017 STT section 15 actually the procedure and why Office of the Special Prosecutor could be removed. 15 no a define offenses and stated misbehavior or incompetency, incapacity to perform the functions of the office, willful violation of the official oath of secrecy, conduct that brings or likely to bring the office of the special prosecutor into disrepute and any account. The 15.2 no actually say the procedure. How is he removed? Was it when the president inya krata say obi atro say obi yina, the president I want a letter is submitted to the president. 3 and it said where the president receives a petition for the removal of the special prosecutor, the president shall, a mandatory word, within 7 days, refer the petition to the Chief Justice, who shall, within 30 days, determine whether there is a prima facie. Where the Chief Justice determines that there is a prima facie, the Chief Justice shall, within 14 days, set up a committee consisting of a chairperson who is a justice of the Supreme Court, a lawyer of at least 15 years standing at the bar, one other person with expertise in investigation. The committee within 90 days investigate the matter and make its recommendations to the president through the Chief Justice. The president shall act in accordance with the recommendation of the committee. The law, anyway, I don't know the ones I can say president receive no. Probably ABI or the command the Chief Justice. ABI prima facie was established. There was not established that the Omodia ban should be any. Maybe the president did not even receive it.
Kofi, you see,
What about
the president received it. Those Omomodi petition no koye no. Couple of times, who did they say the petition still yentin.
There are difference between sending petition and receiving petition.
Oh, Kofi, Kofi.
Oh,
you know.
I understand. I know.
No. President never received any petition.
I cannot speak for
Good. This is
because by law he
yeah,
shall.
Yeah. Also, I can't say the okay in Nara. You see, I don't have any problem.
And removal of office of is equally the same as the
electoral commissioner, the chief justice, and all that.
And those
so
senior political.
Exactly. The point I mean making is also make catch it. Me need any problem. CJ no. Yes, president to receive. Yes, see president or a conveyor belt.
Okay.
Into conveyor belt na me bisa say
Mamenko
petition the edi kan ba no conveyor belt na ti ya na.
Mamenko senior Ishako. Senior, you use this microphone.